Hey guys, y'all remember last year's fiasco with the Christmas tree, the 9-foot pencil tree?
Guys, this was just unbelievable. We've been waiting over a week, almost a week and a half now, for a tree that we ordered. And we finally got it today. And I want you to look at this. This has got to be the most pitiful thing I have ever seen in my life. We're not keeping this. This is definitely going back. Look, this is supposed to be a Christmas tree. Look at this. These are the branches on this thing. Look at it. It won't even hold an ornament. I mean, I can't even put no weight on it. My finger's barely touching it. It just falls to the floor. If I pull one of these down, look at that. That don't look like a tree. It looks like a palm. I mean, it's like a fern. It looks like a fern or something. Yeah, look at that. I've seen ferns in the woods better looking than that. I mean, look, that is ridiculous. They call this a tree. Trees don't grow like this. There's nothing here that resembles a tree. It's a good thing we got a Christmas tree from a neighbor instead of waiting on this piece of stuff. This right here is a freaking joke for a tree. Guys, do not order one of these trees, I'm telling you. And I don't even remember what the name of it was, but it's probably wrote on the box over there somewhere. The postal guy just delivered it, and I'm pretty sure he's going to come pick it back up. Because this is just not real. I mean, every once in a while you get stuck. No, a real tree has branches coming off of it. You know, they stick off in opposing directions and stuff. This looks like a fern or a palm tree or something. I mean, look at it. You hook a little ball on it or something, it just falls to the floor. They won't hold nothing up. Look at it. That's pitiful. And it's shedding all over my floor on top of that. Well, I ain't going any further. I'm going to take this sucker and put it back in the box and go ahead and get all my stuff together because it's going back to where it came from, which was California. I should have known better than to order something from California anyway. I can't help but laugh. I thought it was a tree. You know, it's supposed to be a tree. We wanted a 9-foot tree. This is a joke. There ain't nothing about this that even looks like a tree. So, oh well, you live and you learn. I bet you the next one I buy, I'll put my hands on.
And guys, I wanted to show you this year's tree and what it's looking like. All right, this is this year's 9-foot tree. Now I've started separating the leaves or the limbs here, and I think it's going to be beautiful. It's going to look great. It is a pencil tree. Now I don't have this side separated yet, but do y'all know how many limbs is on a 9-foot tree? I think I should have separated them before Danny put it together. But he did do the top. Isn't that going to be awesome? So stick around and let's see what's going to happen. A 9-foot tree. Maybe 10 limbs down, 50 more to go. Talk about a slow go. And for perfectionist, I mean, it looks pretty good. This one's looking pretty good. You know, you got limbs don't always go the same way every time. Now, this is what it looks like. It's just in a mashed bundle. And guys, I gotta go all the way up. It's beginning to look more like a tree. Isn't that awesome? Just that much more to go. All right, what do you think of my tree, Pawpaw?
Well,
Looks pretty like a tree.
Looks like a tree.
And it's tall. You're tall.
It's
and
tall. I know it's really tall. But what about? Did you? Well.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. All right, so I've still got a few to go, don't I?
Well, it's kind of like a...
It's not bad, but look.
No, but I mean, you know,
I
it's
still got...
It's like a square. It has 4 sides. This is a circle. It's got more than one side.
More than one side.
So you can't just do one side. You got to go all the way around it.
So,
I kind of anticipated that was what I'd see, but...
okay, so I got to finish this tree, but it is looking like a tree, ain't it, Papa?
It looks good. I was a little skeptical to start with.
What about last year's tree?
Especially after last year's. And man, we don't even want to go there.
But it looks good.
Yeah, I kind of like it. It resembles a real tree. You know, I mean...
And it don't take up much space.
No, it don't take up a lot of space.
And Danny's tall, and it's taller than him.
Oh, see, that's what I like. I like things that's taller than I am.
It's pretty awesome.
You know, I don't like this little stuff like right here. You know, 6.5 feet tall, just right here. I don't care for that. I like something that looks a little majestic. I know it's not large in diameter, but our space here is very limited. So we chose the pencil tree.
And it's going to look good when I get through.
I think it's going to look all right. It's a shame you can't go in the woods and find one like that, or I'd have a real one, you know.
Okay, all sides are done. There may be a little adjusting, but our 9-foot pencil tree is looking great. All right, after putting the lights on twice, finally got them halfway looking decent. We're gonna push it back into the corner and start adding the ornaments. So guys, I got the tree up. I don't have an angel on top, and I've got most of my ornaments on, not all of them. It's looking awesome. I'm happy with it. I've got to find all the ornaments that people sent me last year. I know I've got 1 or 2 missing that's at my house. I'll find them. But I'm going to show you what it looks like around this Christmas tree. I've had fun decorating today and kind of miss my music. I'm off grid. The lights are battery operated. It's pretty awesome. Guys, it's going to be beautiful when I get through decorating everything. That's awesome. Beautiful. All the way up to the ceiling. And love my tree. Finally, 9-foot tree that works.